Not finna get up for this one. I just wanted to bring across a message that I've been experiencing right now, and it's just washing over. At this time, your outward being must be in service of the transformation of your inner being. Now, I know a lot of niggas don't exactly know what that means. Regardless of what you do and who you are in this world, that is non-concerning. What matters is that what you do and who you are in this world is reflecting back what is necessary for your next transformation. If you are not transforming, if you are not changing, then you are dying, you are calcifying, you are putrefying, you are entering a state of sleep. There is no rhythm to the changeless. There is no rhythm to the changeless. There is no pulse. There is no circulation. You are dead if you remain the same. So, who you are with your family, who you are with your friends, who you are in your public image, whatever you need internally, you are going to act out externally and transmute whatever it is in the world. Now, another way that we see this happen is motherfucking kid acts the fuck out. Why? Because there's some internal like pull, gravity that's like calling them to I need attention, I need some form of service here. And the thing about the child is they're not mature enough to know how to handle that the appropriate way. Your grown ass is old enough to know that when you want when you feel lonely, you feel bored, you feel broken, you feel powerless, there are things you can do externally. You don't have to go out and rob a fucking bank, right? But you can put yourself in a place where you always win. You can put yourself in a place where you are eliminating the toxic things in your life. You can put yourself in a place where you are financially stable enough to go get the fucking books you need, to go get a fucking massage if you need one to fix your shit, acupuncture, whatever the fuck you need. You can put yourself in a position that's going to make sure that you are given the space, the time, and the information, the space, the time, and the information to evolve. But if you are solely an external being, then you are a helix, as the Gnostics would say, which means you're in the service of your double helix, which means you're in the service of your soma that exists in your brain, basically the yolk in your fucking brain and shit that the DNA resides in. You're a drink of the gods. Soma is the drink of the gods. So you are just being consumed by the past. The gods are dead. They're asleep. They cannot change. It is on us to change. We change who God is. We change who the gods are. That is the power of being in this physical world. We are the boulder that changes the tides of the rivers that run. Now, do you want to actually take part, or do you want to be more material used by the titans who have returned to cultivate this motherfucker and run that spiritual pipeline of liberation and freedom? Because y'all motherfuckers love talking about liberation and freedom, man. Y'all love liberation and freedom, man. And you keep your soul fucking locked down. Because guess what? You're not no fucking Christian. If you were Christian, then you would understand that everyone has free will, and that's their God-given right. But you want people to feel guilty. You want them to feel guilty about what they did to you. You want them to feel bad about how they beat you and hang you and rape you. You want them to have compassion, and they never will. And it upsets you. because you have not even accepted the fact that all things down here have free will. So in turn, you do not accept your free will. So all you do is manifest another motherfucking slave and another fucking master, which just is another word for a fucking slave. Because in order to keep you down in the hole, I gotta crawl down in the hole with you. In order to keep you in the prison, I gotta watch you around the clock. The prison fucking warden is the biggest fucking prisoner. Do you understand the anxiety this motherfucker lives with? It is not an easy task punishing people, because it is not man's task too. We have free will in this plane. What are you going to do with yours? Are you going to continue to seek external justice, external fucking, what's that fucking word? External pleasure? You're going to continue to seek external pleasure from the exterior world by having them appease your rights. Having them appease their right is nothing but permission. License is nothing but permission. You want them to appease your external rights. You want people to feel what you want them to feel. You want them to praise you. You want them to love you. You want them to hate you. You want to be the fucking man on your block. You want to be the baddest bitch on the planet. You seeking these external pleasures, man, because at the end of the day, guess what? You're still in a three-dimensional plane. You're still divided by polarity, by duality, by gender. You're still divided by race, to even get more shallow on that ass. And as long as these things exist, no matter where you go, you're going to be bound by your people. You're going to be bound by your gender. You're going to be bound by your race. And you're going to be pulled into a place of separation, because that's a fucking law of duality. Split yourself so you can observe yourself and reintegrate into a healthier system, into a more holistic system, because shit ruptures into, if you ignore something, if you ignore your angels, they're going to come back as demons. If you ignore that little fucking feeling you got going on in your stomach that doesn't feel good, it's going to become a tumor. If you don't take care of this shit, it's going to become other shit. You're going to become sick for it. Why? Because your external world is not in servitude of your internal world. So you continue with the diet. Like, let me put this shit in terms you motherfuckers will understand. If all I eat is motherfucking cheeseburgers, motherfucking cheeseburgers and hot wings every fucking day, I got nothing else going on for me, man. You know what I'm saying? I got nothing else going on for me. That's all I do. Bow, bow, knock down the motherfucking Diet Coke. You know what I'm saying? What's gonna happen is I'm gonna gain weight and I'm fucking have a heart attack or something, right? That right there is a direct example that your external actions could affect your internal actions. And that's just one aspect of it. The diet interferes with your body. Your body is going to interfere with your emotions and your mind. So, to my motherfuckers who like, yeah, but the mind is all, the universe is mental, I could just override that shit. Maybe you can. But why would you want to spend your psychic energy just overriding your bad decisions? Why not just make the right fucking decisions so you don't have to waste a bunch of psychic energy just overriding your fucking codes? And yes, we may be abundant. Yes, we may be unlimited, but not these bodies that we exist in. They are not. They are not, and they could only absorb so much psychic energy before shit starts hitting the fan. Even when we get our fucking downloads, sometimes motherfuckers getting migraines and all types of shit, because the body is not even in the position to receive the type of information that your ass should be getting right now. So, live the life. Don't let the life live you, my nigga. Yo, get up out here. Make the right decision so you don't have to continue to try to fix things. Live your life holistically, in the sense that you are whole. Not wholesome like church, but a wholesome like an individual. You feel me? Get up out here. Do the motherfucking thing so that you don't have to continue to try to fix shit. That's gonna just lead you to an impoverished mindset. Every time I'm in this house, something always broken. This motherfucker. Someone's always broken this one. So something always go. Like, shit's broke because, my nigga, you not taking care of your business. You inviting frequencies in that's just gonna shatter everything. So again, I say, man, your external life must be in service of your internal transformation. Find a way of doing what you're already doing. Find a way of transmuting. You don't have to even change anything in your life. Check this out. I got a secret for y'all. Find a way, your own personal Jesus. Find your way to redeem yourself. Find your way to transmute the information that you are taking in right now anyway. Find a way to take that information in and transmute it in a way that's going to make you feel more at peace with your life, more at peace with where you are, even if this is hell. Because guess what? There's another thing. If this is hell, imagine what heaven's like. If this is as bad as the shit could get, I'll take it. Rejoice that this is hell, motherfucker. But at the end of the day, I don't want to hang around here. Like, I don't. Fuck Earth. You're going to have to continue to go through the same shit here because you're living fragmented and not whole. So handle y'all business, man. Let y'all life be in the service of who you truly are. Your soul. One.